morning, everyone. What is the theme of the songs that Jill chose today? Friday.
Thank you.
All right.
And then they need to understand, who is this grant going for?
Pat yourself on the back and say, I am amazing.
Welcome to our Friday is what is your favorite vacation destination? Okay, so our agenda for Friday.
No dork allowed.
I can't help it. we can't get away from the tools being thrown at us, right? Easily adapt to in education if we put our minds to it. Then it starts doing this.
You guys did it right. You knocked this one out the park.
Thank you so much.
I wasn't sure at first, but I loved it.
And doing that, I really loved it. Thank you.
It's a safe place for kids to get to do something. I really appreciate that, and I really am thankful.
So, again, be very proud of yourself. We are.
All right. Bye, guys. Thanks, Jeff.
Of course. Talk to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emphasis Foundation USA.
All right.